Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my video. Today we will solve a very specific IT problem. Why is my CSS not playing? This is a common problem for beginners in web development. I remember when I was just starting HTML and CSS, I wrote so many styles, but nothing changed on my website. I felt frustrated. Maybe you also feel the same. But don't worry. In this video, I will explain 4 main reasons why CSS is not working, and also how to fix them step by step. Let's start. Let's imagine we have a sample website. Here is my HTML code. There is here main, h1 section, div, span, and the link of JS here in the body. And here is my CSS code. I have put all of them here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, but imagine when I open in the browser, the CSS is not working. So the text is very bad, no color. This is the problem we want to solve. Okay, the first reason here is CSS link. Your CSS file is not linked correctly. Here I have style.css, the name of the file. So maybe why your CSS is not working? Maybe here you type triple CSS. That's why it's not working. Or in the first here you also type double S. That's why isn't working. Or you put incorrect, nothing closer, and your link cannot use. That's why you have to always fix your link before you use it. In HTML, we must connect the CSS file using this line. But many times, beginners put the wrong path. So always check the file path and file name carefully. You can also try to open the file in your browser directly to test the path. The second reason is wrong selector. Okay, for example, in HTML, I wrote like this: h1 digital clock. And here is my CSS code. This is the h1. So maybe you wrong put the connector. For example, like this. You can see, make it the digital clock text. Not good. Or you maybe here push not H1 but H2. That's why you cannot use it. Also, maybe you put here class, but you use ID. That's why the digital clock is not changed by the CSS code. So, always check what did you use for class or for ID and the correct technique. The third reason is browser case. Maybe all of your code is correct. Here you're put in the correct place, the HTML, the head, the link, the body, also the other stuff like the main H1 section and the div, also in the class as well. But when you open in browser, it's showing the old version. Browser keep old files to make websites faster. This is called case. But for developers, case can make confusions. You change your CSS, but nothing change on screen. So don't forget to reload your browser every you change it, or you can also use extension in VS Code. After doing this, your new CSS will apply. So the last reason is CSS specificity. This is when two CSS rules are fighting and the stronger one wins. So for example, here you have H1 and H1 you put here the ID title. When you put here, you call the ID using tag title. You can see here the H1 is cannot use, so the title more stronger than the H1 CSS code. So always check your CSS code correctly. Also, inline CSS is even stronger. So if your CSS is not applying, maybe another rule in overriding it. So let's fix step by step. Check file path, check selector spelling, clear browser case, check for other CSS rules. After fixing this, my CSS finally works. The text is correct and expected. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you solve CSS issues. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. See you in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.